Good morning, dear students. I am Dhanashri, your computer teacher, and today we will start with chapter number 4. Before that, I hope you all are safe and fine at home and taking care of all the safety measures. In this video, we will see what is network and what is internet. What is network? We will see some day-to-day life examples, that is network of blood vessels. So this is our body and heart supplies blood to our body. Okay. So the blue lines will take blood from body to heart and red lines will take blood from heart to our body. So this red lines are called as arteries and blue lines are called as veins. Okay. So there are many arteries and there are many veins. So these all arteries and veins together they form network of blood vessels. So what this network does, this network will provide blood to your body and it will also take blood from your body towards the heart. Next day-to-day life example of network is network of road. Suppose I want to travel from Hisar to Delhi. I will go by my car and I will follow network of road. So roads all over India they are connected with each other and they form a network of road. So what this network of road does? Suppose you want to go from one place to another place, this network of road you have to use. So it will carry or it will give you a path to travel from one location to another location. So in network of blood vessels also we have seen that what is the main purpose? Main purpose is to carry blood from heart to our body and body to our heart. If there is no network, blood cannot flow, and if there is no network of road, you cannot travel from one location to another location. Now what is computer network? So like network of blood vessels, network of road, there is a network of computer. Suppose this is my computer and this is your computer. I want to send this video to you. So my computer and your computer should be connected with computer network. So what is computer network? Computer network when two computers are connected with each other so that they can share data, any information, any messages, then that computers are in network. So computer network connects to computer. Like road network will help you to move from one location to another location, or road network will connect two cities, two towns. Like that computer network will connect two computers. Now what is internet? Internet is the biggest network in the world which connects millions of computers worldwide. So we have seen network. Network it is for a small area. Okay. So if computers which are far away from each other, like if one computer is in India and other computer is in US, that two computers cannot be connected with normal network, computer network. So for that this biggest network, that is internet, is used. So if the computers, worldwide computers has all the computers have to be connected with each other, they will use the biggest network, and that biggest network is internet. So that's why it is also known as global network. Internet is a global network. Persons all over the world can share information, messages, videos, images over internet. They can connect with each other using this global network, that is internet. Internet is the biggest network of the world, and it is the full form of internet is international network. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend.